So my name is Matthew Harding, Artistic Director and Choreographer for Evidence-Based Dance UK, and we're down in Brighton because we have a show, Manifest, taking place on the 9th, the 23rd, 24th and 26th. Workshop was fire, was super dope. Everyone just threw themselves, it was really fun, everyone was like just going for it, and the energy in the room was super hot, so thank you for having me. It's super fun, and hopefully get to see you guys again soon. It's been super fun. Thank you for having me. Check it out. Follow us on Instagram, Evidence-Based Dance UK. You can check us out and you can come see us in Brighton. Thank you.